Hello friends, welcome to Ultra Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 32-inch Impex LED TV. Here the fault is with the backlight. You can see one of the LED strip is not working. See friends, only the topmost LED strip is working properly. So that's why it's causing the no display issue. So instead of replacing the damaged one, here we are going to replace the entire LED strip with a new one to avoid future repetition in backlight related fault. This is the permanent solution. Always try to replace the entire LED strip with a new one while repairing backlight related fault. See friends, here you can see the new LED strips are working properly. It's a 3 volt LED strip. Here each individual LED is of 3 volt. Now let us install this new LED strip. While repairing LED backlight related fault, we should be very careful while handling the LED panel, because panel is the major part of a TV. So while handling with the TV screen, we should be very careful. See friends, now we fixed the reflector sheet. Now we need to screw it properly. See friends, finally we place the panel on the frame. Before placing the front frame of the panel, we should be very careful. We need to check every corners of the panel that it is placed correct or not. See friends, we need to check every corner of the glass panel to make sure that the panel is properly fitted. See friends, finally now we connected the LVDS cables and all sockets back to this TV. Now all sockets are connected. This is the motherboard. So now let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is in standby mode. So let us release the TV from the standby. See friends, now the logo comes and the TV is working properly. Here you can see now the backlights are working properly. So now we can put the back cover and all screws back to this TV. This is the panel model number and this is the model number of the motherboard. See friends, here you can see the final result. Now after replacing the LED backlight, we need to reduce the backlight level. For that we need to enter into a service mode. The service mode code is menu 1147. See friends, now we entered into a service mode. Now go to panel setting. In panel setting we need to keep the backlight value in between 30 to 70%. It will reduce the backlight voltage also help to increase the backlight lifetime. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Now the TV is repaired successfully. Thanks for watching.